Hey, what is up, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about Android Marshmallow 6.0. So, we'll be talking about all the main features and also some not so main features. So, yeah, let's jump straight right into it. So, now, first of all, I have done a video on how to install Android Marshmallow developer preview, and I will leave the link down below from where you guys can check it out. So, yeah, go and check it out, and then let's go and take a look at all the new Android Marshmallow features. Now, the very first major feature of Android M is now on tap. Now, what is now on tap? We'll talk about that in a bit. But first of all, Android Marshmallow Developer Preview 3 actually gives you a different animation. So when you activate this, it gives you very nice white border lines that go all the way around the device. Now, essentially, while you're chatting to a friend, and for example, you have mentioned a restaurant name, and you just want to know more about the restaurant, where it is, just activate Google Now on Tap, and Now on Tap essentially go through the chat history of the chat and detects that word, picks that word up, and searches for it and gives you the direction and some reviews and all that stuff. Next, we've got ourselves app permissions. So app permissions are also now changed and different, and also we've got ourselves a whole new section of app permissions. So here you guys can see which apps got the access to camera, photos, contacts, images, all that stuff basically. So you can just access them right from here. Also, it doesn't ask you to enable all the app permissions while you're installing it. It asks you as you need them along the way. Next, we also have got app links. Now, app links essentially allows you to go directly to the official app of that website. So it makes it easier for the user to handle the links as well. Now, I'm actually very excited to report to you that Android Marshmallow actually improves the battery life quite a bit as well. It does that by the new doze feature, which basically, so basically when the device is in the idle state, it doesn't do things like scanning Wi-Fi and doing syncing jobs and all that stuff. So that actually improves the battery life quite a bit. Now, next we've got ourselves is a whole new app drawer. So as you guys can see, you actually have to scroll through to access your apps. Basically, you also get yourself a search bar on the top, and also there's a very nice features. There's a very subtle effect actually. So if you scroll through, on the right hand side, and you actually get that pop effect. So whenever you go through the very first app of a new alphabet, gives you a kind of just pops up and enlarges a little bit. It's just a very subtle effect. Also in Android Marshmallow Developer Preview 3, we get a lot of new wallpapers as well. So there are some Android style pattern kind of things, but then we also get some nature wallpapers as well. And I actually really enjoy it, like this pyramid one. Now, next we'll be talking about a system UI tuner. So if you have that enabled, you guys can see we have that wrench icon on the top right next to the gear icon. Now when you tap and hold it, it basically asks you if you want to remove the system UI tuner, which I don't want to do it. But if you cancel this pop-up message and scroll all the way down in the settings app, you guys can see we have a system UI tuner option. Now over here we get the quick settings and status bar options. So if you go into the quick settings, you guys can see you can change the quick setting position and the toggle positions as well. You can even add a new tile as well. Also, if you go into the status bar, we have the options of disabling icons basically. So if you don't want to, you can hide icons. If you don't want Bluetooth icon to show up, you can simply hide that. If you don't want the Wi-Fi icon to show up, you can hide that as well. Also, a new thing is show embedded battery percentage. So if you turn that on, you guys can see we have that percentage embedded right within the battery icon. It's kind of tiny, but it's good. It's nice. Alright, so in Developer Preview 2, we actually got memory management as well. So as you guys can see, we have a very nice section of memory usage. So it just tells you how much memory is being used, every memory is used, the total memory in that system, the free memory right now, and then you can also go through app-wise as well. So it tells you which app is taking the most amount of RAM. And actually the Chrome isn't one. Chrome actually doesn't take that much at all. It's mainly Android operating system and Google apps actually. Also, we also have internal storage as well. So we have the internal storage management as well. You can go through how much storage has been taken up by apps as well, and you can also get a very nice bar kind of interface which tells you the total the total storage and the total storage free, which is pretty sweet. So that is pretty much it. Also, as you guys can see, if you go into any app, it allows you to clear the data or even clear the cache. Now, when you take a screenshot, it goes into the notification sheet. Now you get the option of not only sharing that that screenshot, but also of deleting it directly from the notification center as well, which is pretty sweet. So guys, that is pretty much it. So this is 6.0 Android Marshmallow. It's a very nice update, and I'm actually really looking forward to now on tap, which is still not working in this particular preview, but I'm actually really looking forward to it. Again, there's no Easter egg at all, so again, it gives you that same little thingy right there. But guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys want to go ahead and get this for your device, make sure you guys check out my tutorial video on that as well. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Share this video, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next one. Peace out.